Today we're gonna pack up and go to Sungai Chiling, where me and Shekar never actually go. So we will see how it goes.
We're going to Sungai Chiling. This is the day. It's raining, so the water tides are gonna be high. Crossing. Hopefully the rain dies down and we can.
What up? So I just decided to join them for this short trip to Sungai Chiling. So we'll see what is the outcome of this trip.
What's up, guys? We actually got really lucky today. It was raining on the way driving over here, and it was very bad. The weather looked bad, but it's a tropical country, so can't really predict what would happen. We got the sun out. Yeah, it's really nice.
The pilot didn't really know how to get back.
He did a pretty good job, because I was really focusing on flying the drone. He was pretty much being the director of cinematography just now and telling me like what kind of shots we need and stuff. So alright, so we're on our way to the actual Sungai Chiling now, and we were just enjoying the sunrise by the really nice winding road.
There's actually nobody. We actually took the car and drove really slowly for the drone shot, and there's like nobody here. It's a Friday at 8:30 AM in the morning, so I'm guessing in the weekends it gets really packed, but so far it's hard to come by empty roads like this, just, you know, an hour away from the city. We finally reached Sungai Chiling, so we shot past like 5 kilometers in front, missed the entrance.
Yeah.
Sanctuary Ikan Sungai Chiling, fish sanctuary. You can't catch fishes inside there. If you try to catch fish, that's what you get. You see that sign right there? You get shot. If you are coming on the days that are not allowed, you'll get shot.
That's a bit hyper, right? I mean, a bit over, right? But we are here on a very beautiful day. We are lucky that it's not raining. As you know, now is raining season in Malaysia. But we'll see what we can do. What we can do inside, the shots that we can take and things like that. Excited.
As you can see, there's a lot of mosquitoes in here. They're biting me all over because I'm so sweet like that. Look at that. This is the first one. I think it's the first one, first waterfall.
Yeah.
There's a total of like 6. That's why you bring insect lotion. Now they'll die when they suck my blood.
It really is a lovely day, except for the mosquitoes. Loy here getting raped by the mosquitoes. And of course Loy has some fans here. Celebrity. I wish people want to take pictures with me. No. While Loy is busy being a celebrity, we are here, we just registered and pay only 1 ringgit each. I bought some fish food so we can feed some fishes on top. So Loy is putting his food inside, he doesn't want to take a chance.
You should.
Why Loy? Why you want to bring your... Is water resistant?
You know, nowadays it's not easy to find money, you know.
Shekar, are you ready for this hike?
I'm so pumped. Drank so much coffee, I'm so pumped. My heart is beating so fast. It's looking like a good day, a good weather. Take a day off, work on a Saturday, come on Friday.
Need to register.
Yeah, we're the first to register. and it's only like 9:30. But then look behind.
Hopefully it won't rain until the evening, because you know we're not gonna stay too long here. Have a nice hike, chill up there, get some food, probably have some swim. Have a swim, I mean. Get some shots, you know, probably some drone shots. Hopefully we can get some GPS satellite signal there to fly the drone properly. So I just bought these Adidas walking in water shoes yesterday. It's working pretty well.
Every step you take with these Adidas shoes, the water drains out.
Look at that. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah. No water inside shoe.
This is where people die. No, I'm just kidding.
Gonna cross the river now. Are you ready, Loy?
Yes.
Looks pretty, I wouldn't say dangerous, but like for our gears and stuff.
All the fish. So fish in there, fish. Fish.
Yeah, I think this is the part when you turn that camera off and be ready.
What am I even doing? Still holding this camera, recording, crossing the river like this.
A hand, bro.
Here got my Adidas shoes. Loy, why does this one look harder?
Assume that this is much more deeper than the previous one. Let me do the Richie thing.
Okay. We send in the bait first.
Go there. Don't go there.
Don't go. Oh shit! I mean, oh my god. Okay, this is a bit
Shit,
hardcore.
how am I gonna do it?
Woo!
Okay, you just vlog and go.
What?
Just do it, you can.
No.
Hey,
Why am I even doing this? This is super. Oh my god, why am I doing this? Alright, almost there. Almost there. Okay, not almost there. Not almost there.
What took you so long?
Dude!
I'm like chilling here though.
Okay, no. Whoa. Can you go? Good.
yo, this is the final destination. This is the waterfall. We hiked in about an hour. It actually doesn't take that long to get in there if you come in straight in, but we stopped to take some pictures, videos and stuff like that. You can get here pretty fast. But that's the final stop right there.
waterfall. We had a little bit of a setback just now. We forgot the other drone battery. So Shekar got it. Good drone piloting with 20% battery.
15 by the time you flew.
15 by the time he flew. With no GPS, so that's pretty impressive.
I had to pee in my own bottle.
Wait, you're kidding, right?
Little bit.
Nice, sweet.
Okay lah.
Kinda think about it, the place was really clean.
Yeah, people actually take
I'm really
care of it.
surprised.
The place was clean. The waterfall was very nice. Water was really cold though.
Pen gitu.
Shekar, where you going?
It's this side, bro.
Shekar, where you going?
This side.
What we learned from this trip is it's really nice to just go out there and like do some traveling, you know. Even though it just takes one day, it's a nice thing to do, you know. Lata Kinjang was nice. There's a lot of other waterfalls, but Lata Kinjang was definitely one of the best ones that I've been to. It's huge.
Royal Belum is awesome.
Herbalum was just is one of those places that you can't believe that it's in Malaysia, you know.
Yeah.
And we went there, you know, we jumped into lakes, boat rides, and then we hiked to some waterfalls.
Yeah.
You know, there was a fish sanctuary over there also, and that was just brilliant. But yeah, definitely check that video too. So Loy, how's your third trip to Sungai Chiling? How was it?
Extra lah. For me, the third one is extra because now I got you guys filming everywhere. You know, you got to do something different lah, other than taking picture je, jalan borak-borak semua. We are on a mission kan, so we have to take some good video, seek for every little thing during this trail. It was fun to me.
Yeah, that was first trip. Definitely nice lah. I mean, it's good to have someone that has been here, because I'm pretty sure if we were just it was me and Shekar, we could have got lost seriously.
And one thing I can say is always prepare for the rain. This year went to Kinabalu and hiked in the rain.
Shekar, see you live,
Not that bad. Okay guys, that was Sungai Chiling. Hope you guys like it. Like I said, we're going to do more traveling, especially around Malaysia, discover some hidden gems. Do give some suggestions to us as well. Like we were mentioning earlier just now, so far the waterfalls that we went to, Lata Kinjang and Royal Belum, you can check it out in the Perak World of Wonder video. It's a pretty awesome place. We hope to travel more and get more of this kind of videos. We'll keep updating some vlogs, some new films. There's a bunch of films over there as well that we did, some few projects. You can check out our YouTube channel. We have some few videos. We recently went to Lombok. You should check that out. Lombok's a pretty awesome place as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. We'll plan our next trip and see what's next for us. Peace out.